Go to the gradient tool in the tools panel, go to the top left of Photoshop and select a gradient, a colourful gradient with 5 or 6 stops. Then go for linear type, blend mode normal and drag across the screen to create a gradient. Now I'm going to distort it, so go to filter and distort and wave. And then go for generators, just select 1. Wavelength maybe 10 to 275, amplitude 209 to 522. Keep horizontal 100%. Type is sine and repeat edge pixels. And click OK. Then go to the marquee column tool, single column marquee tool. Select that and click the document in the middle where it's most colourful, most varied colours. And then go to edit and define pattern. I'm going to use that as a pattern preset. Click OK. Go to a new document and then go to edit and fill. Go for pattern, custom pattern, set it to the one that you've just created, and script and put it to random fill. So set that to random fill and click OK. Take a few seconds, then go for density 10, 0.1, keep it fairly low, rotate pattern. Also set the randomness to 0 and 0 for brightening. And now you can see your design, very scratchy design. Image and auto tone, and you can see even more. You can zoom in a bit so you can see the scratchiness there. Go down to filter and blur, and maybe blur it or maybe stylize it in oil paint, up to you, or just keep it as is. Go to select and select all, edit and copy. So that's now in the clipboard, and now you've got your document there. You can then paste that. So edit and paste. Now it's not the same size as the document. You could of course create a design the same size, would be just as reasonable, and then you could just resize it. Once you've done that, you've got just a layer there. It's just a basic layer, which you can then go to the blend modes in the layers panel, and you can run through them. Go for overlay, or maybe divide. You can just try them out, darken, multiply. Personally, I'm going to go for divide. You've got subtract, makes it very dark, but divide's a great one. And you can also modify the opacity if you want. So set it at about 67, 50. You want maybe not so intense. And that's it. You've got a lovely scratchy design, which you can then just blend with the rest of the image. So layer and flatten image. And there it is, scratchy design in Photoshop.